Friends, in our earlier video, we talked about fundamental analysis, technical analysis, etc. These are just to start with the subject. Today and now onwards, we will come to the real thing. Friends, the real excitement, the real fun, the real rush, the real profits happen in the markets. Let me also remind you here that markets are not meant for adrenaline and excitement. We at SLN Finance do our best to get the real profits in your pockets. Here, you must be wondering, how do we do it? To know that, you need to know how we have done it in the past. Friends, it is our observation and experience that shows all the stocks, or at least majority of the stocks, move in cycle. That means they don't move in a linear fashion. There are times when stock prices go up, and also there are times when the price goes down. When a person typically invests for a long term, he buys the stock and holds it for a long time, say 2 or 3 years. As we said in our video number 1, the philosophy or the idea that he follows is buy right, sit tight. But in our case, we follow an idea called buy right and be vigilant. Here, by being vigilant, we mean active participation in the market that helps us to fetch the better price over the long run and also to compound and increase our profits. Let me explain this to you with an actual example. Let's take an example of Asian Paints. Now you all know Asian Paints is a solid company and it has very bright future. For example, if an investor bought Asian Paints 3 years back, let's say on 1st of January 2018, that time the price was 1142 and in 1 lakh rupees he would have able to purchase 87 quantity. On 28th of September 21, the price is 3369. Thereby, his capital of 1 lakh rupees would have grown to 2.93 lakhs. Now, let's reconsider the same scenario with buy right and be vigilant. That is, we will not only buy the stock, but we also will be vigilant towards the movement of the stock. On 1st of January, we buy at 1142. On 23rd of January, we sell the same at 1166. Guys, we made a profit of 2%. Then the entire month of February 2018, we did not do anything. In the same period, the price came down from 1166 to 1102. In first week of March, we bought the same at 1102. You can note that the quantity of 87 is increased to 92 now. From 7th March till 16th March, we made a profit of 3% and sold the stock at 1135. From 16th March till 20th of March, the stock price came down and again we bought the same at 1104. Here again the quantity is 94. Like this, we continue to buy stock at particular time and to sell the stock at particular time. Looking at the technicals of a stock, every time we have made some profits. Now our horizon is 3 to 4 years. You can see on every position that we took, we have made profits. But also there are times where you need to book losses also and get out of the position. For example, on 10th of October, we bought the stock at 1205. But considering the market conditions, on 23rd of October, we had to exit the stock, booking around 6% of loss. Again, we got into position at 1180 on 25th of October. And again, buying, selling continued for 3 or 4 years. And 28th of September, you can see the price has reached to 3369. Our cumulative profits has reached to 7,31,000. You can clearly see the difference that if we would have followed the ideology that just to buy the stock and hold it forever, it would have definitely made profits, but it would have made profits to 2.93 lakhs. But here, the profits are 7.3 lakhs, which is almost or more than double of what we would have made by just simply buying stocks. This is what we actually do at SLN Finance, dear friends. We offer this service to our clients and enhance their profits. In the next video, my friends, we will show you what difference it would have made when a person would have bought Bajaj Finance in past 3 to 4 years. It is very hot stock and you cannot imagine what kind of returns it has fetched. If you would like to join us, you can WhatsApp us on 91759 39795. You can visit our website slnfinance.in. We will see you in our next video. Till that time, keep smiling and happy investing. God bless all.